warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, let's keep our praise and thanks to God Almighty, because thanks to His blessing and mercy, we are all here today in good health and happiness. So, without further delay, our group is going to present a topic titled Introduction to Accounting. This topic is really important because accounting play a big role in both business and daily life. It helps us record, manage, reporting financial information that useful for making decisions. Before we start the presentation, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Dania Jaharani and I will be the moderator for today's presentation. Alright, let's begin. Our first material will be presented by Ardelia Shaharani, who will explain what is accounting. The time is yours.
Thank you, Dania. I will explain the material about what is accounting. Accounting is a system that records, classifies, and presents financial data of a company or organization. This data is then used to assist in decision making. This allows to generate crucial financial statements such as a balance sheet, cash flow statement, and profit and loss report. It sounds simple, but in reality, a lot of behind-the-scenes work goes into accurately reporting on business financial state. Accounting requires meticulous record keeping and financial transaction tracking your own. Moreover, keeping accurate record helps ensure your business is prepared to file taxes, present information to investor, or even apply for a loan.
Thank you, Ardelia, for the great explanation. Next, we'll move on to the second material, which will be delivered by Yuliani, who will discuss why does it become one of economic studies. The time is yours.
Thank you, Dania. I will explain the material why does it become one of economic studies. Accounting become one of economic studies because it has an important role in business activities. The first, it's help company growth. Accounting provide information about how well a company is performing. It's help identify which products are best selling, how much profit each department makes, and what costs are reducing profit. Without accounting, a company cannot make smart financial decisions for future growth. The second, it is needed for funding. Accounting builds trust with investor and banks. Before giving funds or loans, they usually require a financial statement to see the company's financial health. Without proper accounting, a company might not be able to get investment or financing. Third is help when the owner wants to sell the business. When a business owner wants to sell or merge the company, accounting records are used to show the company's value. These financial statements help the owner get fair compensation for the business they help build. Fourth, it's help make payment on time. A company has debt and need to pay suppliers or vendors. Accounting help record who the company owns and when the payments are due. This prevents problems in business relationship and keep operation running smoothly. Fifth, fifth, it's help collect payment from customer. Some some companies allow customer to pay later through trade credit. Accounting help track with customer own money and the due date for payment, ensuring that the company receives in income properly. And the last, it is required by law and regulation. public companies must prepare financial statement following accounting standard like GAAP or IFRS. If they don't, they can be delisted or fined. Accounting also ensures tax compliance to avoid penalties.
Now let's continue to the third material, which will be presented by Alia. She will talk about type of job in the accounting field. The time is yours.
Thank you, Dania. I will explain about types of job in the accounting field. Careers in accounting may vastly differ by industry, department, and niche. Some relevant job titles may include. The first one is auditor, internal or external auditor. Ensures compliance with reporting requirement and safeguarding of company assets. The second one is forensic accountant. Monitors internal or external activity to investigate the transaction of an individual or business. The third one is tax accountant. Strategically plans the optimal business composition to minimize tax liabilities as well and as insurance compliance with tax reporting. The next is managerial accountant. Analyze financial transactions to make truthful, strategic recommendations often relate to the manufacturing of goods. And information and technology analysis accountant maintains the system of software in which accounting records are processed and stored. The last one is controller. Oversees the accounting function of financial reporting, account payable, account receivable, and procurement.
Thank you, Alia, for the great explanation. Now, we'll move to the last part of our presentation, where each of us will share what kind of accounting job we'd like to have in the future and why. Let me start first. I would choose to become a tax accountant in the future because this profession plays an important role in helping business and individual manage their taxes efficiently. A tax accountant's duties include planning business strategy to minimize tax liabilities and ensuring compliance with tax regulation. Moreover, I believe this career has a stable future, especially now that many people want to become entrepreneurs and every business requires proper tax planning and reporting. Another reason why I am interested in becoming a tax accountant is because the job requires assurance, analytical thinking, and knowledge of financial law. This makes me even more motivated to keep learning new things and avoid monotony at work. As each tax case or regulation present different challenges and situations to be resolved. Next, Ardelia.
Okay, I chose to become an accountant at a company because this position plays a strategic role. This profession offers a structured career path from staff level to management and provides opportunities to specialists in areas such as accounting, or taxation. Corporate accountants not only record transactions, but also act as strategic partner by providing data that forms the basis for business decision-making. In addition, this profession offers high career stability because every company needs accountants, making it the right choice for building a profession future. Okay, thank you.
Next, Yuliani.
I want to be a managerial accountant in the future. I think this job is very important because it's helped the company make better financial and business decisions. A managerial accountant doesn't only record numbers, but also analyze financial data to understand how the company is performing. This career involves preparing budget, calculating production costs, and finding ways to improve efficiency and profit. Managerial accountants often work closely with manager or executive, providing them with useful information for planning and controlling company operation. I also think this job has a great future. Every company needs someone who can understand the financial situation and guide the business to grow.
Next, Alia.
I choose to work as a tax consultant because this profession plays a crucial role in helping individuals and companies properly fulfill their tax obligation. It's also challenging, as tax regulations are constantly changing, which encourages me to continuously learn and develop. Furthermore, being a tax consultant hones my analytical, communication, and problem-solving skills. This profession offers broad and stable career prospects and provide the opportunity to directly contribute to national development through tax compliance.
Alright, that's the end of our presentation. From what we've discussed today, we can conclude that accounting is a very important part of the economy world. It helps us understand financial condition, make smart decisions, and give us many great career opportunities in the future. We really hope this presentation has helped all of us learn something new and become more motivated to keep improving in the field of accounting. Thank you so much for your attention and participation. We are sorry if there were any mistakes during our presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.